out of the airplane. So it's a long way to get in the building. That's the airplane we just flew on. Bro, can you help me with this bag and I take it out? It's kind of heavy. Give me the dog stuff.
Okay. Take it.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, that's much better. So I can do the video with exchange bags now. Tenemos todos caminando por España. He's walking on Spain already. And it's a big door. And we are in the airport, terminal T4S. Now, flight connections. As soon as you get out of the airplane, it's a sign that says flight connection. If you don't want to walk, there is a metal band here. As you see, the next sign says baggage and exit. You will continue straight. You get in another area, into another area where it's baggage and way out. It's a no EU citizen and EU citizens. So, and right here is the sign for the connections. All the flights connecting with this one in different terminals. So you're gonna make it right. You're gonna go to this little tiny area where it's all signs and then say different terminals. But also here is Iberia customer service. If you have any question, you can ask. So after Iberia, continue straight. Para the peoples. So we're gonna go the left side and then say it's a sign saying no US citizen. No more video.
No non-citizens.
I have to stop recording because this is the area where it's custom and immigration. It cannot be recorded. But you will see that sign in pink, and that's it. We're when you get out, we went to number 12, you get out from here, you're gonna walk straight and you're gonna see a sign, Terminal T4, baggage and exit. So follow the sign. And now it's two options. You can use the elevator or you can use the escalator. They're all. Let's go use the elevator. So this will be easy for you guys to use the elevator. So you come in to the elevator and go to exit. Go to exit.
Which one?
Exit. Yes. Okay, you're gonna go to -2, and then flight connection, and right on the right you have the subway. You're gonna take you to Terminal T4, Terminal 4, where is baggage plane. The train ride every 4 minutes. Okay, the train arrived, so we're gonna process to boarding the train.
Oh, how sweet. Is that a breakfast?
Yeah, I left him always like,
Oh,
Tito, brazo.
it's a long trip.
yeah.
Okay, we get out from the subway. It took only 4 minutes to get here, and then you're gonna walk to the elevators again and go to baggage and exit of baggage plane. So as soon as you get out from the train, go to the right, and you have two options: go stairs up or get elevator. And you have to search for baggage and exit. Okay, getting into the elevator. Where are we going?
This year.
So you're going upstairs for one level and connection flights and carousels for collect your luggage. So you can come directly to the board and check it out which carousel is the one for Charlotte. carousel number 2 is for us. So grab one of these or two. There are cars everywhere. Just grab one car and looking for your carousel. Number 8, number 9. There must be the other side there. Number 11, number 10. You are almost there. So carousel 1 to 6. So we are number 2, so must be in our left. Now it's just time